Hi guys, I'm Perti of Freeman Airsoft and welcome to this new video. In this video we review this silencer. Okay guys, this is the silencer that I use on my rifle more or less every match. Okay, let's start with these basic information. Okay, this silencer is a full metal silencer, short version of the US Marines. It's made by Royal and it's like around 10 centimeters for 3 centimeters wide. Okay, important things about this silencer. Okay, to remember of this silencer, there is in the first place the metal components. In fact, it's made of metal that make it really resistant and useful for the use on the field. Inside of this silencer we found some okay, we have these foam parts, foam components. They are free, and these components are here to absorb the sound. This is the look of the silencer without the foam components. The foam components came inside the silencer, but if you want to change them or to make some modification, you can do it just opening this part that you can find on each of the two sides. The silencer is small, but for its size it's quite powerful. It suppresses the sound pretty well, especially if your gun makes a loud bang when it shots. For example, my gun, you can hear that its sound is pretty loud. So using this silencer it makes the sound a lot smoother and it lower it a little bit. I have to say about this silencer, or the airsoft silencer in general, that when you buy a silencer you don't have to expect to have a silencer that reduces the sound of your gun to zero, because it is like impossible. For example, just hearing for having an example, my gun, you can hear the engine that's moving when before the shoot. That means that even if you have a silencer that removes the sound that's coming from the front of your gun, from the barrel, due to the high pressure of the gas inside the barrel, you won't remove completely the sound. However, you will lower the level of the sound quite a lot, and that will make your gun to sound smoother and to at least not be so noisy as it would be without a silencer. Okay, now let's test the silencer with and without a silencer, just to see more or less how much it effectively how much it lowered sound, how much it removed sound. Okay, here I have this random phonometer. I think I'll search for the translation, for the English translation. Now let's just see how much it does our gun without the silencer. Okay, here we have the gun. We put the microphone of the phone just at the exit of the barrel to have more or less the sound, and we keep it for like 3 fingers away from the exit, just to make sure that after the distances won't change so much. Okay, so now let's see a shot without the silencer. Okay, it goes around 75 decibels and it's a single shot. Let's try a little burst. Okay, we reached the 83. Okay, this is our test without the silencer. Let's now mount the silencer. I remember you that for mounting the silencer you have to screw the silencer the other way around that the usual screw does. Okay, now our silencer is inside. We have to fix it a little bit more just to make sure that it is well fixed, and to try to keep our measurement accurate. Okay, single shot. Oh, it seems to get louder. Now we are around 73 decibels. Let's try the burst. Okay, now we were around the 80 decibels. Okay, so the appropriate change of the silencer isn't so strong. However, it gives the gun a smoother sound, and this makes the gun less noisy. Having a silencer can be a good thing with airsoft guns, and it will be useful if you are in some stealthy situation where you don't want to be discovered. Okay guys, so that's more or less what I have to say you about this silencer, the Royal US Marine Design silencer, short edition. I don't know what you think of this video, guys. Leave me a like the video, share the video, and subscribe if you haven't done it before. Leave a comment, I will read them, and see you guys next week.